Hello, I'm Laisha Yuri, and I'm going to go be touristy in my home state. Yeah. But last time I went here, I was like 7. But we're gonna go. I'm gonna wear my hair natural because we might get wet. It's raining over there because it's up north. I live up north from my state, but not up that north. Okay, I do actually. Anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup though because I really liked how it came out, so I'm gonna do my makeup. And I already took out the pants I'm gonna wear. I have like 2 pants right here. I feel like I should make my bed first. Yeah, I'll make my bed first. So I made my bed. I have a bunch of blankets, so they're like literally right there. But I'm gonna clean my piercing because on the I literally said for the plot, why not one less bad decision for the end of the year. So on the 31st I went to go get a piercing, and now I'm stuck cleaning it at least 2 times a day. Now we're done. Now I'm gonna do my makeup real quick and then start finishing packing because I'm finished packing. Yeah. So I'm dressed. I have this tank top on. I'm just gonna put it up here. Leggings on, this tank top, and a zip up. Then put a puffer over the zip up because I honestly don't know how cold it is. It's colder for sure. I just don't know how cold, So then my hair, I'm just gonna wear natural. Not even gonna put any product or anything in it because I'm just gonna let it be natural, like natural. So you guys can see it's there. See? I am done getting ready. Here's the fit. Cute. We're on our way now. What do you mean? The perfume that you said that I smell like on New Year's?
Oh, I found it.
Y de eso, a una señora del otro lado le estaba diciendo lo de ella. Texas. Dice que que no venía preparado para venir para acá. Y dice que ahí vienen los francesitos, mija.
¿Qué?
Miren los francesitos emocionados porque vieron el tren que pasó por ahí. ¡Cuánto tu gorrito! Aquí te un cambio por la...
The closer you get, the more wet you get. Video of the reaction, I see. So it's really pretty. Our little tourist moment. We left my mom behind. No, I can't the view. It's very muddy, very uneven, the tracks. So we're about to eat. It's very pretty. Video of the reaction, I see. So it's really pretty. Our little tourist moment. That's the highway. That's the Columbia River. And these are the Mount Hama Falls. And then there's a cute dog coming up. Yes. There's like fog. We literally just came out from there and there's like fog already, like from that level we were on the 3rd level. There's a lake over there. That's the highway. We're on our way down to the gift shop. Keep pounds delay experience. My experience has been pretty good. I saw some guy eat shit earlier.
There is coin spending?
No, pues, ya no estábamos tan lejos.
So we have that. All of this. We're lucky. This is big, and that leads down to like the gift shop and the restaurant that I have.
Buddy, are you buying that or not? Okay. That is some kind of
Like the rocks that you gave me on the beach, they sound cheap. Pues Chihuahua está aquí en la frontera.
De la derecha para dar una vuelta amplia a la derecha hacia un flow. Da vuelta a la derecha hacia Salem y Lejos Suego. Tenerte a la izquierda e incorporarte a I-5 South hacia Salem. Mantente a la izquierda.
So I'm just now editing the video, but there's a lot of clips that were like nature and the road that I filmed, like the video is, but it is very naturey, very like more of a like not me speaking type of video, just to like show more like of what I saw, because I really didn't even like speak with my family so much on the trip over there because it was so like beautiful. I was just really just taking in the moment. But I hope you guys liked it and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know if I'll be doing videos like this again, but definitely will be coming out with a lot more video and content soon. Bye.
Oh hey there, I think I found it. She my cherry cola, she gon' keep me sober.